Good morning.
Yes, I'm doing some curry chicken this morning, and you can see lots of chicken seasoned up, and I have onion, lots of garlic, pepper,
Hold on,
scotchy.
there you go.
This is a scotch bonnet, curry,
The
ginger
seasoning,
powder, the
stir
season. You
shit.
can see it. This is the way I do my thing, my stew peas, and no, I do my curry chicken, and you can see I'm doing some stew peas. This is the stew peas, chicken foot, beef, and chicken. That's it.
Wow.
Wow, you see it? Wow, it's bubbling away. Yeah, bubbling. And curry chicken over here. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button. This is the way Auntie Claire,
Tell a friend to
Jamaican,
tell a
tell a friend.
friend.
Auntie Claire, we have doing our curry chicken. I need to come subscribe, follow me. Back up the number, man.
You mean? I'm gonna back it up.
What if you do?
Bring it.
Bring up the number.
Backing it up is going down.
Oh, okay. Ring it.
Yeah, man.
Touch the notice button.
Mhm.
That's when I put out the ad.
You get a notification.
You can see the notification. So,
Okay,
like,
do what you're
share.
doing. Just do what you're doing. Yeah, for
Yes.
sure. That's it.
Yes. So this is the way I do my curry chicken and my stew peas today. Right? Today, the 18th of January. Auntie Claire, like, share, subscribe. Run.